Cicaplast B5 Serum, which Roche-Posay says is particularly good for dry and sensitive skin. In this video, I'm going to share the benefits this product can bring to our skin, who should actually use it and who should stay away from it. And finally, I'm also going to share with you how to actually apply the product to get the maximum benefits out of the product. The star ingredient of this product is a 10% panthenol. Panthenol is also called provitamin B5. Panthenol does a few different things for our skin. Firstly, it adds hydration to the skin, and hydrated skin is soft, plump, and it glows, and it also has fewer skin concerns. Panthenol also reduces the redness, itchiness, and the inflammation and the irritation on our skin. It's a good skincare practice to keep the inflammation, irritation, and the redness down on our skin, because if unattended to, these three can eventually lead to dark spots and dark patches. That's hyperpigmentation. Panthenol also strengthens the skin's barrier function. If the skin's barrier function is strong, skin stays hydrated and skin is prone to less breakouts. Panthenol also helps with wound healing. These are some minor wounds on the skin. Maybe it's from sunburn, maybe it's chapped skin, maybe it's very dry, flaky skin, minor cuts or post-procedure, like your skin after microneedling or waxing. Your skin can be a bit irritated. Panthenol can actually heal the skin from all that kind of wounds. So you see, panthenol, multiple benefits, single ingredient. Apart from panthenol, the product also has glycerin, which is again a very powerful hydrating ingredient, so more hydration to the skin. This serum basically will help us hydrate our skin, strengthen the skin's barrier function. That means skin is going to stay hydrated and will be prone to less breakouts. And it will also help us reduce the redness and the irritation and inflammation on our skin. But here's what some of us might not like with the product. It is denatured alcohol. It's got denatured alcohol. It's the fourth on the ingredient list. Now, is this a problem ingredient in skincare industry? Well, on the internet, you will find a lot of scaremongering about denatured alcohol, that it can cause dryness and sensitize your skin, and it's basically not a good ingredient to use in skincare industry. Yes, the name does sound scary, denatured alcohol. The fact though, a lot of studies have been done which show that denatured alcohol, if it's used in small amounts, is okay in skincare. The basic reason why denatured alcohol is used is it's a solvent, so it's going to help all the other ingredients in the product dissolve and come together. Secondly, it also enhances the penetration ability of the other ingredients in the product. It's going to make the other ingredients go a bit deeper into the skin. If they go a bit deeper, that means they're going to be more effective. It evaporates very quickly. So as soon as it's applied on the skin, it does what it needs to do, and then it goes away from the skin. And so you have a very light feel on the skin, and this is a reason why a lot of brands prefer denatured alcohol maybe when compared to other ingredients which can do similar things because of its fast evaporation. And studies and research shows that this ingredient is okay to use, especially with hydrating ingredients like glycerin. Let's say a product uses 60% denatured alcohol. That's when the problem would be. And for this particular serum, the amount of denatured alcohol is not very high. I don't know the exact concentration. Having said that, some people like me don't react well to denatured alcohol. I've done this. I've tried many different products which has got denatured alcohol, and I understand the logic, I understand the science, and I believe those studies and the research, but somehow my skin just doesn't like it. So I stay away from products which has got denatured alcohol. So if you do have sensitive skin, or if you don't react well with denatured alcohol, or if you already have some redness on the skin, so I'm not sure if this product would be for you. But I know it's a good product. It's from Roche-Posay, and Roche-Posay is a reputable brand. They have really good products, other products which I'm a big fan of. So if you've used other products with denatured alcohol and you've had a positive effect, it's all working well, then definitely this is a good product. You can consider this product. On the other hand, you've used denatured alcohol and it doesn't work well for your skin, you've got really sensitive skin, or if you're unsure, like in my case, I would just stay away from the product. Another thing is, this is a very expensive product. So you have to keep that in mind as well. To apply this product, cleanse your face, then apply the serum, wait for a few minutes, and then apply a good moisturizer. That's about it. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, please give me a like and do subscribe to my channel. That will really help me a lot, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.